Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Mallory Jane Creates. I am Mallory, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made these gorgeous shower curtain rings. They turned out so good, guys. I love them. You can totally make this your own and do your own preference of different fabrics and colors and just whatever you want, you can make this your own. And as always, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell right beside it. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And if you are already subscribed, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you guys. And also, everything that I use in this video will be in the description bar below. And I will also be posting where you can get kind of like similar items if you don't want to go online. And let's get into the video, guys. So some things that you're going to need is going to be shower curtain rings, a glue gun, any type of fabric or rope that you want to use. It's all in your choice. And then you're also going to need something to decorate it with. I ended up using the pearls and the little diamonds. And if you want to use super glue, you can. It'll hold up a lot better. So here I'm just starting with one ring. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue right on the inside, as you can see. And then I'm going to take my piece of, if you're using fabric, whatever, I'm using the little rope. I don't know exactly what this is called, guys. I'm sorry. I totally need to check next time, I swear. But I'm just holding that down until it dries and it's held on there really well. And as you guys can see, I already pre-cut the rope because it was just a lot easier that way to get it through. So I'm literally just going to take this rope and I'm going to be going so in and then over and in and over until I get to the very end. And now that I'm almost completely to the end, I'm just taking that and wrapping it as close as I can. You want to leave a little bit of room so that when you put the initial curtain on, that you know you're not going to have any problems getting it through. I didn't end up having any problems. And then I just took a little bit of glue, just like I did in the very beginning, and then I just held it on there until it dries, and then I cut the very end of it. I'm going to do the same exact thing that we just did with the rope. I'm using this other material. It's more of a burlap because I want some of them to be a little bit different. I just thought it would look really cute that way if there was like different types of material. But I did do the same thing, except for I put the glue the whole way across the burlap and then I put it onto the shower ring. And then we're going to do the same exact thing once we get to the end. I just cut it and then I put some glue and did the same thing that I did at the very beginning. And I held it there for a minute just to make sure it's going to hold. And on some of these guys, I did add a little bit more glue. All right, guys, now I'm going to be starting with my pearls, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing that I did with the rope, except for the whole thing is not going to be tied in pearls. It's only going to be parts of it. So I took the glue gun and I put a little bit down, and I'm holding the pearls down. And then I also took, as you can see, I took the glue gun and I put a little bit more glue on, just because these are a little bit heavier than a rope and I want to make sure they stay. And then I'm just literally going to do the same thing. I'm taking the pearls. As you can see, I'm leaving spaces in between because I don't want the whole thing covered. And I'm just going to get to the end and I'm going to put some glue and do the same thing that I did at the very beginning. And then on some of these, I had to cut them at the very end because I didn't end up measuring it totally correctly, but it still worked out just the same. Okay, guys, and now for some bling bling. So all I did, as you can see, I took the hot glue down, put a little bit down, and then put the crystal on there and just push down. And they're not real crystals. These are actually acrylic, obviously. But yeah, I just held them down until they dried. And I only put 3 crystals on the front part where you're actually going to see it when it was hanging. I didn't put them towards the back. And as you can see, we are completely done. They turned out perfect. I love them. They're so pretty. Now, when you do hang these up, I recommend taking the beginning part of your rod off and just sliding them on. And then whenever you're putting your curtain up, just slide them right where it clicks and you should have absolutely no problem, as I didn't. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I love you guys, and until next time.